Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome guys. So for those of you who don't live on this side of the globe, it's currently winter in the country where I live in. So we are wearing a lot of more deeper, gourmand, darker perfumes, and I thought I'd do a quick video on perfumes that I have in my collection that I think that smells very edible, you know, like something that you can eat. Perfumes that is smelling delicious. So without further ado, let's look quickly into them. I just want to mention I'm not going to go through the notes. I'm just going to go through the perfumes and just tell you what they remind me personally of when I smell them. Okay, so this is the first one. This one is called I Love Vanilla, and it's by Lantheric. This is a cheapie, guys. I think it was like 60 or 70 rand for this. I can't remember if this is a 10 ml or 15 ml. I don't use this perfume, guys. I bought it purely for nostalgic reasons because it reminds me so much of when I used to go. I'm just taking a whiff of it. When I used to go and visit my grandmother. It smells, you know, like sweet vanilla lollies, like a beautiful sticky sweet vanilla pudding. And she used to bake a lot. She was an excellent baker, and her kitchen always used to smell sweet, and this reminds me a lot of those times. So you know, when I miss her and I think of her, I'll come and I'll smell the specific perfume. So I don't wear it, but I love smelling it. Yeah, so that's I Love Vanilla. Okay, then the second one, which one are we going to take second? Okay, let's take this one. I think I've spoken about this perfume before on my channel. This is a little bit more expensive perfume. This is by Nina Ricci, and it's called L'Extase. Guys, initially I was not blown away by this perfume, but look at that spray. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. But as I started using it and as it started reacting with my skin chemistry, I absolutely started adoring this perfume. And this perfume reminds me a lot of, you know, like we used to get those pink musk sweets. I don't know if you guys can remember. Oh, I think I'm giving away my age, but there's these like drops. We called them drops. Like they were like this beautiful baby pink sweets or candies, and they smell very musky. But this also has a very strong caramel note in it. So to me, it smells like those sweets, but dipped in like a sticky, soft caramel fudge. You know, it smells edible. It smells delicious, but also, you know, like comforting, like comfort food. So this is a very sweet, sweet, sweet smell, but really, really pretty. Okay, so that's L'Extase by Nina Ricci. Okay, and then I have, this is quite new to my collection. This is Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. This is the purse spray. Usually when I can't find any samples, I'll buy a purse spray or a roller ball to test the perfume out before I commit to the bigger bottles. But this is also not an expensive perfume. It's very affordable. I think the 30 ml bottles is like 485 rand or something like that. I paid 255 for this per spray. Any case, this one was recommended by beautiful gorgeous soul. She also has a YouTube channel. Her name is Kayleen, I think. Her channel is Kay Loves Perfumes. So she recommended this one because she mentioned that it has a plum note in it. And let me just have a whiff of this. Also good sprayer. Yeah, wow. This is also very sweet, guys. And this doesn't really remind me of anything to eat, but it does remind me of a drink. You know, it reminds me of, you know, like a plummy berry boozy drink that is very sweet and intense, but will warm you inside. I love it. It's a really pretty scent, and it's perfect for winter times. It also, guys, for a celebrity fragrance, it lasts a long time. Seriously, I am so shocked. And it also, the sillage is like beast mode. So this is quite a gem for a celebrity fragrance. So yeah, that's Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. Next one, I think I've also shown you this one already on my channel. This is Yes I Am by Cacharel. And the bottle, guys, the bottle is just so adorable. The epitome of womanhood. And this one also reminds me more of a drink than something to eat. It is, you know, like it reminds me of a delicious milky creamy raspberry milkshake, or even maybe an ice cream, you know, like maybe even like a vanilla ice cream topped with like a sweet raspberry creamy sauce. It just smells, you know, like it sounds. It smells delicious. Yeah, so that's Yes I Am by Cacharel. And then this one, this I've had in my collection for a very long time. This was a blind buy. It was also recommended by a few YouTubers. This is also not an expensive perfume, but it is absolutely gorgeous. This is a very sexy one, guys, and this one reminds me a lot of licorice. I mean, it has a licorice note. It also has like a leather note in it, so that's what makes it very sexy and sensual. But the licorice in this is just it just takes me back to a time when I was a licorice addict, guys. I think it was about 23 or 24 years old. I just started my first job after finishing my studies, and I was traveling a lot, like a lot. I was doing a lot of driving, and usually when I was on the road, I used to have like a big bag of licorice, those black long ones, and I used to devour them on the road. I didn't have any food, I just ate those ones, which was very unhealthy, of course, but you know, when you are that age, you can still get away with stuff like that. I haven't completely given up licorice though. I still have them once in a while. But yeah, that just, you know, this perfume just takes me back to those times of, you know, being single and independent and seeing new places, and it just reminds me of that. So it's quite wonderful that, you know, perfume can trigger or bring back memories and certain parts of your life or certain things that happened in your life in the past. So beautiful, beautiful, sexy fragrance. I love wearing it to bed occasionally, but it is a gorgeous fragrance for the winter time. And then the last one is, of course, this one. This is Fantasy by Britney Spears, the original Fantasy. Isn't this the most adorable bottle ever? Okay, and guys, this one, this is so good. Some people say that smells very juvenile. It's more for younger people, which is probably true, but I still wear it and I still love it to this day. I'm almost 40 years old, guys. But I love it. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, and it also just takes me back to, you know, when I was a teenager and the specific celebrity started her career. It takes me back to that. But in terms of the smell, guys, it's so beautiful. It reminds me of a beautiful fluffy vanilla and fruity. I don't know if it's kiwi in here or lychee. I think it's kiwi. Like a vanilla kiwi cupcake, topped with like a white chocolate ganache and sprinkled with some edible glitters on top. It reminds me of that, and I used to make those cupcakes a lot, guys. I used to own a cake decorating and baking business, which I closed, I think it was last year in October. I ended up closing the business, not because, you know, of anything other reason than just wanting to do something else, try something new. But yeah, that really reminds me of, you know, the cupcakes that I used to bake for clients, and especially that chocolate ganache, the white chocolate ganache. Yeah, so that is Britney Spears Fantasy. Okay, guys, so that is today's video. Just a few perfumes that I think is very appropriate for winter time. It smells edible, it smells cozy. It just gives you that, you know, that warm tingling feeling inside. Especially, you know, when you are outside and you're just going inside, maybe sitting in front of the fireplace or just under the blankets, reading a book, or maybe even in front of the TV and just spraying one of these and just, you know, feeling all warm and cozy. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. I do have a giveaway announcement video that I posted, I think, earlier today, so I'll link it down below so that you can go and check it out, so that you enter the giveaway. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. There will be some more videos coming up during the weekend, so look out for them and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.